In this lesson, we're going to learn all about decomposing fractions. So if we have a problem like this that says decompose the fraction, add the fractions to get the original fraction, and the fraction we have is 5/8 or 5/8. So it's important to follow all the steps. And so the first step is to understand what decompose means. To decompose a fraction means to break it down into smaller parts. Okay, so we're going to break this down into smaller parts. And to do that, let's first consider this chart. And it shows a whole, and it's being broken down into different parts. Here it's broken down into halves. Here it's broken down into thirds. Here into quarters. Here into fifths, and so on. And these are all decompositions of this original whole. So these are a decomposition. These are decomposed fractions of one whole. So now let's look at it in terms of just the eighths. So we have one whole, and we have the whole broken down into 8 different parts, equal parts. And this is basically a decomposition. It's decomposed. The whole is decomposed into 8 equal parts. And for us, we're looking at 5/8. So here's the 5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bunched together. So that's 5/8. So then you just need to write that as an addition sentence. So 5/8 is the same as equal to 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8, 5 times. And the next step is to rewrite the fraction as different additions. So you can decompose these in different ways. So for example, we have 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 3/8 because these add up to 3/8. So those are different decomposed ways of writing 5/8. So you could write it as 1/8 5 times, or you could write it as 1/8 2 times, and then 3/8. And there's other combinations that you could do, and there's many combinations. But for now, let's just focus on this so that you can understand it. So if you are having difficulty and still don't understand this, just rewatch the video as well. I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are related to this if you need extra practice. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you could follow along this exact lesson as you watch the video. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.